Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, security system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.